What is going on, YouTube? So today I'm going to be going over AMC and GameStop stock and why I believe they're still set up for a massive move. But before I do get into why I believe that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do update you guys on AMC and GameStop stock every single day. So today was a red day for both GameStop and AMC stock. It did close down 6%. So basically every single call option for GameStop that people held got absolutely cooked. I did close out of my $40 calls as soon as the market opened, so I did take like a 50% loss on those, but I just put it back into, AMC stock. AMC $5 calls expiring December 20th. I do believe AMC is going to make some explosive moves on Monday and Tuesday with the news that comes out over the weekend that the box office is freaking killing it, breaking records that it's never broken in history once again this weekend. I mean, not only is my AMC theater packed, but I just passed by my GameStop when I went to the gym right now, and my local GameStop was jam-packed today, more than likely because of the Black Friday shopping and all that, but it was freaking packed, which is just amazing to see. Overall, GameStop only had 5 red days in the month of November, so that is just extremely bullish, and we officially have had 5 green weeks in a row, which hasn't happened in over 4 years since 2020. Not only that, but GameStop got its first weekly close above $29, which also hasn't happened in over 2 years. So GameStop is definitely brewing something huge here. Something that we notice here on the weekly chart, obviously the Bollinger Bands is opening up like it opened up back before it squeezed, but on the monthly chart, if you guys notice, on the monthly chart, the Bollinger Bands are starting to open up once again, and it has not looked like this since January of 2021. So something big is coming for GameStop very, very soon, guys. I did say in my last video, it's more than likely not going to happen on Friday. I just took a gamble, frick it. But I did buy some $30 calls expiring next week as well. I'm just a freaking gambling addict at this point. I bought 10 contracts expiring next week, and obviously I'm still holding my 140 AMC calls. I do believe the explosive move is coming very soon for both of these stocks. None of this is financial advice. I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold. I mean, the Bollinger Bands right now for AMC hasn't been this tight ever, but on the daily chart, the Bollinger Bands is starting to open up for AMC. So that is just an amazing sign. AMC is riding this top Bollinger Band, and it is going to continue opening up. I believe AMC is going to continue to climb over the next week and over the next couple of weeks, because we're just going to keep getting good news with AMC as a company. But with GameStop earnings coming in within the next 2 weeks on December 10th, I do believe before that we are going to get that crazy move that we've been waiting for a very long time. And on this weekly chart, we do have this inverted hammer candle here, which is an extremely bullish signal. I mean, that inverted hammer candle, it doesn't matter where it is. If you get one of these, it is always bullish. So that's just good to see. If we could get a 6 green week in a row, I don't even know if that's ever happened, but on the month, we closed up 30% in the month of November, and that's just huge to see. If we bring up the MACD on the monthly chart as well, as you guys see, it's crossing that center line. Also something that hasn't happened since January of 2021. So, the Bollinger Band is opening up on the monthly chart like in January. The MACD is crossing green. Something big is coming, guys. I'm telling you right now. So the AMC numbers are actually insane. I did make this post. If you haven't followed me on X yet, make sure to go follow me there. My username is Mikey's_money. But this guy had said, how not normal was the box office yesterday? Here are combined grosses for top 3 films on Wednesday before Thanksgiving over the past 10 years. So over the past 10 years, we never went over $40 million. In 2015, $29 million. The most we had was in 2019 before the pandemic. The box office made $35 million with the top 3 movies. In 2024, the box office made $85 million the day before Thanksgiving. That is insane. Between only 3 movies, $85 million. Compare that to the past 10 years. It doubled every single number that AMC has put up over the past 10 years. Movie theaters are freaking back. There's no doubt about it. AMC is trading at an all-time low. In my opinion, it is just an opportunity of a lifetime. I do believe AMC is going to be in an upward trajectory for a very long time. This guy said GME pulled back today to its rising EMA 9 on daily time frame, still trending within a rising channel. Weekly and monthly time frames still bullish. So this is the channel that guy was talking about. As you guys see, GameStop has just been going up in this channel ever since the beginning of the month, when it went from $20 to $24 on the news that Roaring Kitty sold as Chewy. Ever since then, it's just been going up and up. And I believe when Roaring Kitty does come back, it is going to have that squeeze. Now, we don't know if Roaring Kitty is going to come back. Obviously, he might not come back until next year. It is possible. But if he does if he does come back, or if Ryan Cohen releases some amazing news, it is going to send the stock higher. This guy said, neat little channel GME is in. We went from the top of the channel straight to the bottom of it today. Very reminiscent of Black Friday 2021. So obviously it is Black Friday today. The market could just be giving us a discount at this point. That is how every ape is seeing it. That is how I am seeing it. Discount for both GameStop and AMC. Also, Roaring Kitty was active today on Reddit. He just unlocked this banana enthusiast achievement today. It's unlocked by scrolling 1,000 banana lengths. So obviously Roaring Kitty has been active on Reddit. He's probably on Superstonk looking at all the memes, and I'm pretty sure he is hyped the frick up as well and just plotting his next move. AMC had a pretty solid day though. Even though it closed down 2 cents from where it closed yesterday, we were trading above $5 with ease throughout the majority of the day. It did hit a high of $5.09, came back below to $4.91. And we barely closed the day red, obviously because it is tied to GameStop. Both of these stocks are just manipulated like crazy, but they could only hold it down for so long. The pressure has been building for a very, very long time, and the MACD is just going up on the weekly chart for AMC. When we do get that explosive move, this MACD is going to cross that center line, which obviously also hasn't happened since January of 2021. So when this explosion does happen, AMC is going to go parabolic. I believe it will go higher than $13, which was the high that we saw back here. I believe AMC will make a bigger explosive move, and there's no saying how high we can go after the reverse split. Also, something interesting for AMC, the RSI on the weekly chart hasn't been this high since before the reverse split, or like the week of the reverse split. It hasn't been this high. So obviously right now people are buying AMC more than they've been ever since over a year ago when that reverse split happened and screwed over a lot of apes. People are buying AMC now more than they have ever been before, ever since the reverse split. So that is extremely good to see. A lot of people are bullish on AMC, and the daily RSI is nearing 70, which also is extremely good to see. This guy said, for the past few months, we've covered the risks with weekly out the money call options on GameStop. Momentum and move starts in the beginning of the week. FOMO near the top, and the calls expire out the money at 0. I want to see others lose less and win more. Watch when you can. So this guy is basically saying normally GameStop and AMC are going to pump in the beginning of the week, like Monday and Tuesday. And obviously on Friday, there's a sell-off because of the calls expiring out of the money. A lot of people just sell those and take what they can get. So I'm not going to be surprised if next Monday we do get a decent pump for GameStop and AMC. Obviously, if that does happen, I'm going to take my profits out, wait for the next dip, buy back. If you guys want to see whenever I load into call options, just make sure to go follow me on X. I do always post my positions there. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. Right now, the box office is insane. GameStop is freaking packed. This next earnings is going to be huge, and I do believe we're going to get that explosive move before earnings on December 10th. And mark my words, guys, this Monday or Sunday, we are going to get some amazing news from AMC theaters. I promise you, they're going to break some sort of record, and it is going to send the stock higher. Mark my words. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with AMC and GameStop stocks, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go. Come on, push it. Buying the dip. Buying the